So, hello and welcome back, guys, to another live trade recap. So, today we are going to be doing the trade recap taken around 1 hour ago on NQ. Today's date is 25th February 2026. Also, I've already channeled the trade here. This is the first trade. This is the overall trade. Okay, so let's just jump quickly into the trade recap. Okay, so if I go into the 15-minute time frame, the market just started rallying through to the upside. We had no pullback whatsoever. So, I was looking for some sort of like market can either like 9:30 am is here, so we can do something like this, come to this 1 hour, then we can head to the upside. I was hoping something like this can happen, but none of that happened. We directly went and mitigated the 1 hour gap, and also we ran through that completely. So then I waited for a lower time frame confirmation, and once the 3 minute change the state happened with a lot of SMT, there was multiple SMT present here. Then I had taken my entry, and what let us good trade I had, we see here it was a broker issue, so I was entering the trade on two phone, so I couldn't risk the most amount of money. Okay, so you see here stop is only 10 handles, and my target is, if you see here now, 2 is to 2.96, 1 is to 2.96, so that was not available. I risked around like 0.02%. Like, I don't know how did that happen, like while I was entering on two phone. So, and like my subscriber keeps commenting to leave runners open, so I did kept runners open, and I could stop out at break even. Okay, so yeah, there was overall trade, nothing much to it. I was putting break even here, my overall target was here. Okay, but it just gave me my break even. I closed out partial here, and we went directly hit my break even. Okay, I'll just show you the session recording as well. So this is the session recording, I think so much probably. So yeah, the market just keeps rallying up. I wait and wait and wait. There was no entry here. Okay, my friend has taken here, changed the state of delivery to the upside. There is no trade here. If you have taken this long, you are a pattern trader. Simply put it that way. Okay, we'll just skip that. I waited for the market to see. If we want the market to go higher, we need to first come lower. Then we can take a pullback and head to the upside. But that didn't happen. Just changing the state and rejecting the 5 minute gap doesn't mean that we will rally to the upside. Okay. So I waited here, and then we got a 3 minute change the state of delivery, and we started rejecting this 1 minute fair value gap, and then I taken my entry over here exactly. See here, we got a little bit pullback, then I taken my entry there. Yeah, see. Yeah, I've already taken my entry here. So technically I was supposed to be risking a lot here. But once I entered the trade, then I realized that I'm risking like very little. Like, my stop loss cannot be anywhere here. My stop loss can only be about this 1 minute fair value gap. Okay. So that's why it was a mistake in my part. Otherwise, it would have been a massive trade for me today. Okay. So yeah, that was the overall trade. We just broke structure to the downside, and we came and hit the 1 hour FVG, 1 hour IFVG, and we continued to the upside. And now we are kind of in a mixed position. We don't know what are we going to do. Okay. So yeah, that was the overall trade. Nothing much extraordinary happened that I need to say. It is very simple trade. Like, if you see, the entry I had gotten around is 10:09. So 1 minute left for my macro to open, the macro to end. Okay. Like, here would have not been valid because stop loss is increased a lot. But this is the perfect entry. As the market starts rejecting this 1 minute gap, we get a 3 minute change the state of delivery. This is the 3 minute change the state of delivery. Then we take a small reversal trade to the downside. But nothing major. We don't want to target, like, I'm not targeting something like this. Just I'm targeting little moment to overall fill my day. Okay. So yeah, that was overall trade. Nothing much more to explain. I started like chopping around my break even point and directly went and hit my break even. We did form an SMT here if you see. This was an SMT. I was thinking that we can start heading to the upside, but I left a runner open. Hearing my subscriber, I don't think so he'll comment today. Right. So yeah, that was the overall trade review. Short trade recap. Nothing major. I've already journal the trade, and if you see here, is the journal. It's going pretty well. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Take care.